So today we're going to explore something a little bit different. Home bar. Quite proud of. I made the bar, so I think it came out wonderfully. But we're going to check out a beer from one of the local breweries that's in Winooski, Vermont, as I get photobombed by a cat. I can't do anything good around here. Okay. So, anyways, we're going to. I'm going to grab one of those beers. I saw this on Instagram. It looked really tasty. So let's go over one of these, crack it open, and I'll let you know what my opinions are on that. Hang on. So what we have here is from Four Quarters Brewing, working with Night Shift Brewing Company. This is the Night Shift Shakedown. It is a Neapolitan milkshake double IPA with milk sugar, something Hallerau, Blanc, and Barbe hops, conditioned on strawberries, chocolate, and vanilla. 7.7% ABV, 16 ounces. Keep cold, drink fresh, and recycle. So let me get you a close up on the can. Go ahead and give this a try. Wow. So it's very hoppy, but in a pleasing way, not overly hoppy, if that makes any sense. I can definitely get the notes of the strawberries, and a hint of like vanilla. Wow. I highly recommend that. That is, wow. That's just different, but really good. Yeah. So I want to give this full beer mug up. Yeah. Okay, so Night Shift Shakedown. I highly recommend this. This is a very tasty beer. Double IPA, but it's really good. It has a very unique flavor. Yeah, I'll definitely be drinking these again. So what I'll do is, I know they have a website. You can go visit the brewery. They do have a tasting room there, and you can buy this stuff right from them. They have a few other ones, and what I'll do is, in the comments below, I'll put a link to their website so you can check them out. Yeah, I approve. So I would appreciate a thumbs up if you got any value out of this, and maybe go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would appreciate it. And as always, thank you for watching.